In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bookmark in Google Docs. This will be a helpful tool for anyone looking to quickly navigate through their documents by creating easy-to-access links within the same file. Let's get started. First, we'll need to open our browser. Any browser will do, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Type Google Docs into the search bar, and either hit Enter or click on the search icon. This will take you to Google's page for accessing their Docs service. Click on the link when it appears in the search results. If you're already familiar with Google Docs, simply head directly to the website. If you're not logged into your Google account, you'll need to do that next. Enter your credentials, and this will grant you access to your documents and all other Google services you use. Once you're logged in successfully, proceed to open the Google Docs document you want to edit. You can either create a new document for practice or use an existing one where you need to apply bookmarks. Now that we have the document open, it's time to determine exactly where in the document you want to place the bookmark. This part is crucial, as the bookmark will act like a hyperlink within the document, allowing you to quickly return to that point. Click your cursor at the specific spot or highlight a particular word or image where you want the bookmark to reside. With your cursor in place, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. There, you'll find several menu options. Look for the one labeled Insert. Click on this to open a drop-down menu that contains several functionalities that Google Docs offers for enhancing your document. From this drop-down, scroll through the list to find and select Bookmark. When you select Bookmark, you'll notice that a small blue bookmark icon will pop up in the left margin of the document next to the line where your cursor is placed. This icon signifies that a bookmark has successfully been added at that location. If you've chosen to place your bookmark at a particular word or near an image, clicking the link icon next to the blue bookmark will allow you to copy the link so you can use it elsewhere in your document, making navigation seamless and easy. And there you have it. You've successfully added a bookmark to your Google Docs document. Remember, using bookmarks can greatly enhance the usability of your documents, especially those that are lengthy or detailed. You can use these bookmarks as you create tables of contents or for quick references back to key sections. Wherever you might need to hop back and forth in your text, a well-placed bookmark can save you time and effort. Thanks for watching. Thanks for